Hi and hello and welcome back to my channel here. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kirsten and I do Disney and lifestyle home vlogs here on my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a room tour here at Animal Kingdom Lodge in the Jambo building. We are staying here for 4 nights and I wanted to take you through the room that we are staying in at this point. We are staying in a regular standard room, no Savannah view, no anything. But we did get a lovely view of the pool. So I will show you that. So let's go ahead and head on in. So when you come in, each door has a beautiful piece of artwork that I wish I knew what it was. We are staying in room 4030. And like I said, it's here at the Jambo House. You do have your regular key touchpad. I just made it easy for myself so I can get in. And we are asking for no room service today since we're going to be in and out. As you come in, door's going to close behind me. Perfect. As you come in on the right hand side, you do have your full length mirror here, which then is part of your barn styles door that would close to go into your bathroom. As you come into the bathroom, you have a beautiful mirror here that does have some backlighting for your makeup. You do have your makeup mirror and 2 regular outlets behind it. Now, it does have a double vanity with your Disney soap, and then if you come below it, there's this wonderful little storage section on both sides. This one does have your hair dryer in it, and I just have our stuff kind of here. Then you're gonna come in and come to your shower toilet area. So your shower is a sliding glass door here. It does have a rainfall water shower, and over there, if you can, I'm sure it's hard to see, it is your pull across for hanging items for it to dry. It is a tub or a tub shower combo, so you do have that going for you as well. And then coming all the way over, you do have a little cubby hole where we have some of our products, and then our your Disney shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. We normally bring ours, but it is here if you need it. Coming on over, you do have some storage containers up. You have towels, tissues. We have bathing suits hanging. And then you do have your toilet with your toilet paper holder. Now coming over to the door, this is a handle for you to be able to pull it shut. Another barn style door that is going to come around. You have beautiful Lion King artwork, a double towel rack for anything that you would need. And as I came out, I forgot to show you, they do have these style hooks. They do ask that you reuse your towels to conserve some water and to save the planet. As you come around, you do have 2 queen-size beds along with your light, your thermostat, more beautiful artwork, and plugs and 2 USBs. And a nightstand here. Coming all the way around, we have a middle nightstand here as well, where it does have your Hey Disney, which we currently have unplugged. It has your phone, and it does have different plugs. This one will turn all of the lights out. This is just the ceiling, just the sconces, and just the over the bed lights. So those lights there. They do have on both sides reading lights, which doesn't look like they work. And then we do have some storage space under there. Now, granted, I can tell you that these drawers, This one actually, they're not as deep. It's not even my hand's width deep, and it's not wide either. So, my husband and I have decided that we are going to sleep in separate beds just for this next couple of nights, just so that way we can get some extra good sleep. Same thing on this side, where you do have your nightstand and 2 regular plugs and and 2 USBs. Coming on around, beautiful, beautiful tapestry. You do have a beautiful view of the pool. To get in and out, this is your lock. It's supposed to go in there. I'm not sure how I got it in there earlier. There it goes. So that is your lock, and then you have your lock here as well. Do not want to lock the hubby out, but that's how you get outside here, where we have 2, hello, 2 chairs on our wonderful porch, and a little table here as well. Here is the pool. Not as loud as you think it is, but it is beautiful. All right, and coming all the way all around. Wave hi again.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna go all the way back inside, where we do have a beautiful mirror here with our towel animal from last night. And we do have a little eating area where we're just kind of housing some things right now. Table and 2 chairs. And then we go ahead and come all the way around into our dresser area. Dresser here, I can tell you that we have to use all 3 of these drawers just for 4 nights because they are not deep. So for me to be able to say that, like, that's where your drawer is. I'm barely fitting my hand. So again, 2 regular plugs, 2 USBs. Your TV does turn on. We just don't have it on at this point in time. Gonna come all the way around where we do have a luggage holder, your receptacle here. We do have our coffee bar area where we do keep, it does have your ice chest and cups, your Keurig, where this does have a light where you can just leave this on. Beautiful. Coming on down, then we do have your coffee station. Yes, and then in this drawer is your beverage cooler. It does, unlike Coronado, this one does say does not get a cooler than 41 degrees. Great for us. We do have our zebra domes in there. We're hoping that they'll be good for tonight as part of a snack, because we only ate 1. And then you do have your steamer and your safe, and then our shopping. This is a little closet, I guess, for little kids' clothes if you need to hold it, or like shorts or pants. For us, it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. But you do lose some of your closet space here. Like, this is narrow. And here's your extra pillow and blanket here. So you do lose all of this. So, and you do have a little bit of space up there, but not by much. So for wardrobe sakes, I will say it's not a great wardrobe, and how beautiful it is, it does not do, even just for the 2 of us. I cannot imagine putting 4 of us in here for purposes of staying here for a week, because the drawers are tight. Everything is kind of tight. You do have the underbed storage underneath to put your suitcases and stuff, but to actually like unpack like what we'd like to do, it's going to be a little tight. Unless you're used to tight quarters, then by all means, I will say that for us, for 4 nights, it's not that bad. We're just going to make do. But that is the room tour here at Jambo House. We are on floor 4, so 4030 is our room number. And yeah, if you like what you saw, thought it was informational, please like, subscribe, and hit the little notification button so that way you can see more. If you have rooms that you want to see and you want us to stay at, please leave them down in the comments so that way we can make that part of our next trip, so that way you guys can see that. But yeah, like, subscribe, hit the little notification button so you can see everything that's coming your way through this channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.